Hi everyone, welcome back, or if you're new, welcome. Today I have a huge Zara haul to share with you. I have picked up some stunning pieces from their brand new collection that just hit the website this week. So I have all the items linked in the description box down below. I'll include all the sizes that I pick everything up in, and without further ado, let's just jump straight into it. Now I realize that the Zara summer sale is going on as we speak, but if I'm being honest with you, there was not a lot that caught my attention in the sale this year. Except for these boots, and I know I can't wear them yet. We're a few months out before the fall season, but I thought these would be really cute and fun to wear during fall. They're that chunky combat boot style trend, which I personally don't see going out of style this year. I've been after a white pair. They're in a genuine leather and they were over 50% off, so I thought they were an absolute steal. I plan on styling them, I think, with faux leather leggings, jeans, a cute dress, a moto jacket. I've got a lot of plans for these. So if you are shopping at the Zara sale, what I'm trying to say is have a look at all of the different categories, because you might find some nice pieces for your wardrobe for different seasons throughout the year. Ooh, it is really hot in here. I am sweating. I apologize if you can see it. But yeah, that's everything that I picked up during the Zara summer sale. I was planning on doing this huge haul, and then I was on the website and I was like, I don't want any of this stuff. So we're not gonna buy things just because they're on sale, right? With that being said, let's jump into some of the gorgeous pieces that just landed on their website. I'm gonna start things off with the top that I have on, because otherwise I'll forget to mention it. So it's in a really pretty vintage floral print pattern. It is cropped. You'll see it a little bit better in the try-on clip, but I love the pattern. The neckline is gorgeous. And then across the back, it's adjustable at the back of your neck, and then across the small of your back as well, but it's backless. So meaning bra is not gonna be happening. Nipple covers, a stick-on bra, boob tape, or just letting the girls go and adjusting it across your neck is going to be your best option. But it's a really cute top to pair with a pair of jeans, a skirt, a pair of shorts, and just get a little bit more dressed up. This next top I know looks so similar to the one that I have on. So here's where you come in. Let me know which one you prefer, because I really don't need both of them. I just wanted to see them up close and in person. It has a couple of subtle design differences. So it is drapey and kind of more that cowl neck style at the front. Of course, the pattern is different as well. It has a different design detail at the back, but it is adjustable across the small of your back, which I do really like. And personally, how I like styling pieces like this is just with a casual pair of bottoms, like a pair of jeans, a pair of cut-off shorts, a cute pair of heels, perfect for date night, something like that. I love a dressy top with a pair of casual bottoms. I think it's the perfect outfit that you can wear during kind of the late spring, the summer, and then even into the early fall season. Now, I don't want to get ahead of myself here, but depending on where you are, it seems like things are really starting to open up, and it's been a long time coming. I'm so excited for it, and I'm sure you are as well. But you might be finding that you're in need of some really pretty dresses for some special occasions. So with that being said, I've got you covered. We'll start off with this little beauty. I fell in love with the pattern when I spotted it on the Zara website. It's almost like an oriental style pattern. There's so many pretty colors in this dress. It has a beautiful silhouette. And I think one of my favorite components is the fact that it has a zip closure at the back. So you don't have to pull it over top of your head and mess up your hair and makeup. In terms of accessories, you could really pull from any of the colors that we're seeing in this dress. So it has some really pretty neutrals like white and black, but we're also seeing pink and red and yellow and green. It is a knockout piece. The silhouette is gorgeous. So is the neckline. I think you'll really turn heads in this one this summer season. Look who just came to see his mama, and he's purring away. He's big now. Look at my guy. Okay, time to go down. Now, if you're not following me on Instagram, then you might have missed out that I got another one. Crazy cat lady over here. So this is my little baby Grayson. He is 5 months old now. Okay, he wants to go down too. Now, mini skirts and mini dresses are really in for this season, but if you're wanting something that's a little bit longer, or something that might just be more suitable if it's in a longer style for the occasion, then this could be a really beautiful option for you. Not gonna do it justice holding it up on the hanger. It's between a midi to a maxi length. So I'm 5'3" just for reference. It's kind of in an oriental style pattern as well. It has really, really pretty white flowers on it with this gorgeous pink backdrop. I love the back of it. It dips down. I told you, you can't wear a bra with any of these pieces. I'm just keeping it real, but it does have a zip closure, so it doesn't have to go over top of your head. You can pull it on up over those hips. I really like the adjustable tie detail because I think it's really flattering across the bust area, and it's in a really gorgeous weighted satin style material, very similar to the fabric of the previous green dress. I'm always on the lookout for a good bodysuit, and then I spotted this one. I was like, okay, I need you because you will literally live in my wardrobe all year round, because I can think of an occasion and a way to style it for every single season. And I love those versatile, classic, timeless pieces. And this one's perfect. I think it's well priced and it's really beautifully made. So it's in a satin style material. It has a corset style neckline, which I think is kind of sexy, kind of flirty. It also has adjustable straps, which is really nice. A zipper on the side, which I thought was a fantastic added bonus. They included snaps, which I'm here for because I love that functionality. It just makes going to the washroom so much easier, and it is completely lined. Definitely a piece to kind of pull out for some of those dressier occasions, but it'll elevate a pair of jeans. You could style it with faux leather leggings or a faux leather skirt, a moto jacket. I can think of a lot of opportunities that I could wear this all year round, and that's why I had to pick it up. I went a little bit dress heavy in today's haul, but I did say that I have you covered in terms of dresses for special occasions. So this next one is in a really gorgeous vintage floral print pattern, similar to the top that I'm wearing, but it has a very subtle yellow backdrop, and I'm really loving yellow for this season as well. This would be perfect for a bridal shower, an engagement party, to wear as a wedding guest, to a birthday, an anniversary, any of those special occasions you have planned for this summer. But it would also be equally as beautiful to bring back out in the following spring and summer season. It's classic, it's timeless, it's not going to go out of style. Florals never do. It's in a really pretty satin effect material. Satin's really all the rage this summer season. It has an adjustable tie across the back of the neck, which I think is a nice design detail. And then this one has a zip closure as well, so you don't have to pull it over top of your head either. So let's move into some casual pieces for our wardrobe, because we do need those as well. And I've been really loving skirts this year. So I picked up this medium wash skirt from Zara. I really like it. It's in quite a soft denim, so it feels quite comfortable around your midsection. It has a button-up closure on the side. You can see the shorts underneath. It has a button closure on the interior. It also has a zipper, pockets at the front, and then you're getting that full coverage on the booty, which I really do appreciate. And there are a lot of different ways that you can style a skirt. They look cute with running shoes, with sandals, with heels, with a t-shirt, with a bodysuit, a floral crop style top like I have on. Endless ways you can style them, and I think you'll be able to have these in your wardrobe for future seasons to come. I don't see skirts going away anytime soon. Now, if skirts are not your thing, that's totally fine, because I did pick up a really cute pair of denim shorts, and I've ordered a lot over the past month and I've sent them all back. It's really hard to find a good pair of denim shorts, but these I think ticked pretty much all the boxes for me. I will point out that it has a button-up closure at the front. I know not everyone loves that, so I did want to point that out. It has a slit detail on the side, and that's been quite trendy for this kind of past spring and a summer season. They're cut off, they have pockets at the front, pockets at the back, and I do think they offer good coverage on the booty. Nobody wants to bend over and have their booty on display. So I think these are a really nice length. I picked them up in a size US 2, and I'd say that they fit true to size. While we're on the topic of denim, a trend that has completely taken me by surprise is the wide leg denim trend. I didn't think I would like it. I thought it'd be really unflattering on my body, and I was just intimidated by it. And then I picked up these and was like, I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna see how it goes, and I actually really love them. They're high-waisted, and they surprisingly don't drown us petite ladies. They actually help to lengthen our legs and make them look a lot longer, and I love that. They have a really nice kind of light denim wash, great for the summertime. Distressing detail across the knee. I like a little bit of distressing, and then they do have a raw hem at the bottom, which I fully took advantage of because I did shorten them. So they might be a little bit long on you, but with a raw hem, you can do that. So if you haven't tried out the wide leg trend, I will have this particular pair linked down below because I think you should try it out. I wanted to quickly share these floral print crop style tops that I picked up. They do not look great on the hanger, so definitely wait for the try on clip. but I'll give you a little bit of an up close. This one's in, it's almost like a periwinkle blue, really pretty backdrop with these white daisies with green leaves. And then look at the back, very open, but I thought that would be cute for a hot day in the summer. I plan on wearing this probably with a pair of white denim jeans or maybe the white skirt that I have on at the moment. And then I also grabbed it in the purple. It's a little bit different. So it has a squared off neckline and then it has a crossed detail at the back. So you definitely cannot wear bras with these, but I thought they were really cute and just a fun way to dress up a pair of jeans, but they're not as dressy as the satin style tops that I shared with you earlier. I have one more dress that I want to share with you before we move into some accessories, and they're super cute, so don't go away. I'm going to insert a photo of this dress from the Zara website because I'm not going to be able to do it justice on the hanger. It is a wrap style dress, and because it's in a satin fabric, it wants to migrate all together. It's in a beautiful champagne color, and the reason why I wanted to share it with you because it's one of those pieces that you can wear for pretty much any special occasion all year round. It would be gorgeous during the festive holiday season, beautiful on New Year's Eve, on Valentine's Day, on an anniversary, a birthday. I maybe wouldn't wear it to a wedding. You definitely want to let the bride have her day, but for so many different occasions, it's so versatile and you can style it so many different ways in terms of accessories with jackets. You could do faux fur in the winter time and strappy heels in the summer. It's just one of those pieces that you want to have in your wardrobe for those special occasions, especially when you don't know what to wear, because you're still going to be a knockout in this dress. Since I haven't really been spending any money on accessories, and I'm talking handbags and footwear, you know, with it being COVID and having nowhere to go, I thought I would treat myself to a new little handbag. It's orange. I picked this one up off of the Zara website. It does come in quite a few different colors. It makes me smile, and I don't have anything like it in my collection. Let me know what you think about it, but I need a good smile on my face these days, so I thought this bag would be absolutely perfect. I really like the chunky chain strap. It definitely gives me Bottega Veneta vibes, but it has a nice weight to it. It's not too heavy, so it feels comfortable on the shoulder. It just has a latch closure, a fairly open pocket, but it'll keep all of your belongings in there. And I think with a neutral outfit, it'll really pack a punch, so I'm excited to wear it. There are some really cute shoes on Zara's website. We all know it's my weakness, and I've been holding out for as long as I could, but I had to grab these babies. I think they're so fun. I can't really envision myself wearing this color on my body, but in heels, hell yes. These are so freaking cute with a pair of white denim or denim jeans. I'm here for it. I think with some of the floral print dresses and tops that I've shared with you, they will look beautiful, go really cute actually with the top that I'm wearing. So this was a treat to myself, and again, I'm after those pieces that just make me happy and bring me joy, and these shoes certainly do. I picked them up in a size 39, a US 8, and they fit true to size. And since there was no way I was missing out on the green trend, I had to pick up these quilted heeled sandals. They also do come in other colors if green's not your cup of tea, but I'm really excited to wear these. I'll be wearing them to work, on my days off, in the fall, maybe in the winter, pretty much any opportunity to wear them, I will be doing that. They give me major Bottega Veneta vibes. They have that squared off toe, the quilting across the top of your toes, and the heel's not too high, which I do appreciate. It gives you a little bit of a height boost, but I can still walk in them, which I'm here for. So definitely check out the shoes on Zara's website. They're freaking cute. They will elevate your outfit, and I think they'll put a smile on your face. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn the notification bell on for weekly videos. I have a lot of summer and fall content, which I'm really excited for, coming your way that I know you're not going to want to miss. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I cannot wait to see you back here in my next video. Take care. Bye.